How much difference do you see with the Klotz versus Schaeffer's oil? Is it worth the extra 15 to 20 bucks for the Klotz for a 604?
The Schaeffer's oil with the Daytona 1 is basically equal to the Klotz. What I found, I mean, when we did all the testing with John Klotz, what we found was in the higher oil temperature ranges, the Klotz actually performs quite a bit better than what the Schaeffer's will. So, I mean, you're basically changing both oils about the same amount of time. If you're looking for every last little bit of power you can possibly get, I'm going to recommend the Klotz. But most people, that's not important to them. You know, I mean, both are going to protect the engine just the same. So, I mean, every engine that leaves my shop goes out with Schaeffer's.
Yeah.
And beyond that, I tell the customers, if you want to change, change. And there you go.
Well, I think an important thing to know about the Klotz is, and also the XL1 engine treatment, is you don't want to put either one of them into your engine when it's brand spanking new.
Well, no, you can't. No, because you'll never, I mean, the Klotz, if you put Klotz in an engine brand new, you'll never seat the rings.
Whereas the Schaeffer's allows those rings to seat, and then
if you put the Schaeffer's in there with the
with
Daytona 1, you're not going to seat the rings.
Yes.
So, it's
Excellent.
kind of that scenario there. But I mean, both work just fine. I do recommend the Schaeffer's with the oil additive.